Which animal is known as the largest land mammal? Which species is known as the fastest land animal? What is the main threat to orangutans in the wild? Which sea creature is critically endangered due to overfishing and finning? The giant panda is native to which country? Which bird is known for its unique courtship dance and elaborate feathers? What is the primary cause of the decline in rhino populations? Which marine animal is known for its tusks and threatened by hunting? The Bengal tiger is primarily found in which country? Which species of sea turtle is critically endangered? The mountain gorilla is found in which region? Which large bird is flightless and native to New Zealand? What type of animal is the axolotl, a critically endangered species? Which animal is known as the sea cow? The black-footed ferret is native to which continent? Which large mammal is known for being endangered due to ivory trade? Which critically endangered feline is native to Central Asia? The vaquita, the rarest marine mammal, is found in which sea? Which animal is considered a keystone species in coral reef ecosystems? Conservation efforts for polar bears focus mainly on protecting what?